So how do you reset the Wi-Fi settings on the iPad? So let me show you how it would work, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So there are two parts of this, or two options you have. So if you want to reset just connection to one network, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and as you can see, I'm currently connected to this Wi-Fi. So I can click on the information icon next to it and tap on forget this network. And if I click on forget, I'll be able to reset the connection to that particular Wi-Fi router, and I will be able to reconnect to it, but I'll need to retype the code, and it might need with refreshing the connection. So that's how you can do it for one thing only. But if you generally want to reset the Wi-Fi settings, then instead of going to Wi-Fi, click on a general. At the bottom, tap on a transfer or reset iPad. Continue to reset, and from these options, click on reset the network settings. Keep in mind that when you tap on it, it's not gonna delete any of your data like photos or anything, but it will reset every single known network. Right, so if you had any Wi-Fi password stored on your iPad and connected automatically to any router, it's not going to happen anymore. And it also applies to Bluetooth settings. So some Bluetooth devices which you have saved are also going to be reset when you tap on reset and network settings. But sometimes it is worth doing, because if you feel like it doesn't quite work that well anymore, or you just want to have a clean start, then it would make sense to do that. But I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain right now. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.